Hey everyone, welcome back. We are going to create two more twin pages replica. So what I have here again, our matting paper, our designing paper, and this time we are creating waterfall using our tag. So this is larger tag, which size I already have mentioned in my last videos, but again for this one, this tag measures 4 by 8. So this is larger tag. If you want to create more larger, you can just use your own measurement. Since I used already cutting dies, I'm not measuring anything. I just cut my tags using dies, so I have these tags. um, we just need to score at 3/4 and one line inside to create the gusset. So this tag will measure 7¼ by 4, and then I have used some of the smaller tags size, which is this one. I already stick it just to save the time. So I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 pages inside. So I created waterfall using another smallest tag as a back of this waterfall. So this tag is larger, then medium one, then small one. So you need 3 sizes to create this waterfall. What I did, just I cut smaller tag as per the measurement, score on each half inches each tags and stick it. Like I don't think you need waterfall tutorial, right? So I'm so sorry. If you need it, let me know. Next time I'll make sure I'll give you a proper tutorial. So one I have already created, but for the tutorial I have some pre-cut. So what I did here, and then again we need our this matting paper on top of this. So let's get started. I have this medium size tag which measures 7¼ by 3¾ 7¼ by 3¾ this one doesn't need any gusset, since this is the back of our waterfall. The larger one I just told you, it will be 7¼ by 4. This one 7 by 3¾ These are just quarter less than each other. Like this one is larger, quarter inch larger than this one. This one will be a quarter or half inch larger than this one. So this one is, these pages are, tags are 4¾ by 3½, and you just need to score every half inches. How many pages you want, just you can create. And then for the base page, we also need to score that at half inches, and then we just need to line up these pages first. So what I will do, I prefer to line up like that. First I will stick this page, then fold this page and line up on top of this. So you can see how they flow here. Their flow on the bottom, they need to flow within a size, like not one tall, one small, like that. Then your third page, you have to stick it like that. And I guess we have fourth one right there. So you can see their flush. I hope you can see. It's a black color, so I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, you can see right there. Okay, so this is your waterfall, and this one goes on top, so this waterfall will be hidden. So I will show you in this page. This page we have a matting paper, and since this waterfall is bulky, we are using magnet. So we will stick this whole booklet like that, and if you want you can create a belly band kind of thing. Usually all waterfall pages mostly has this, so if you stick this part on top and bottom, you will create a belly band here like that, and you can just use anything underneath, but I will keep it open. I want this whole page open like that, and there will be a big picture space. So this page will look like this one. Like that. And then we will use a magnet to secure these pages, and your two pages will look like something like this. I'll just show you how they will look on the album. So this one is like that, and then other page has this thing, and our waterfall goes like right here, like that. So these two pages are like this, like twin pages. So we are not using back to back. Last two pages also we created twin pages, these also we created twin pages. That's what I don't want to stick directly on the album. So these pages I can shuffle, like two twin pages on first two half, like, and then after couple of pages I will use other twin pages. So you will like if you see similar pages back to back, you don't get much interest in that. So that's what I will shuffle these pages, and these are your two more pages, and I hope you will be back for our next two pages. Thanks for watching.